Subscription boxes are one of the hottest side hustles in America right now. From fitness gear to pet treats, US creators are turning hobbies into recurring income, and you can too. In 2026, subscription boxes are booming because Americans love convenience and personalization. Platforms like Cratejoy and Shopify make it simple to launch your own box without handling inventory. Fitness fans subscribe for monthly workout snacks and gear. Pet owners love curated toys and treats. Book lovers enjoy themed boxes with coffee or candles. The best part? You don't need to manufacture products. Partner with small brands, bundle items, and sell them as a subscription. Even 100 subscribers at $25 per box means $2,500 in monthly revenue. That's recurring income, built around something you already enjoy. So if you are in the US and want a creative side hustle, start brainstorming one niche you are passionate about. Launch a subscription box, grow your subscriber base, and turn your hobby into a business. Subscribe for more proven online earning strategies designed for American creators.